we're running the outlet supposed to be 120. It's running 100, 105. On the top of the gauge. Let's say the popping is happening when the blower is not running as hard. And now it's gone away with the blower running harder. And the blower is slowing down. There's a lot of popping. Temperature, I don't know if the temperature normally varies as much. 100, I guess 90 to 105. Seems a rapid tuning. Again, the blower is down. Temperature down.